Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly referred to as Mahatma Gandhi, changed into a political and non-secular chief in India in the course of the early 20th century. He is diagnosed because the father of the nation in India and is in thought for tens of thousands and thousands round the arena. In this video, we can take a more in-depth examine his existence and achievements. Gandhi changed into born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, a coastal metropolis in Gujarat, India. After completing his schooling in India, he went to London to look at law. In 1891, he back to India and began out his felony exercise in Bombay. However, it changed into his revel in South Africa that converted him from an attorney to a freedom fighter. Gandhi witnessed firsthand the discrimination and racism confronted by a way of means of the Indian network in South Africa. He fought towards the unjust remedy of Indians in South Africa and had become a main discern with inside the battle for Indian rights. In 1915, Gandhi back to India and commenced his marketing campaign for Indian independence from British rule. He followed a non-violent approach, the usage of strategies which includes civil disobedience and starvation moves to peacefully protest towards the British. Gandhi's efforts caused the Indian independence movement, and he performed a considerable position in India's battle for freedom. He prepared numerous movements, which includes the Salt March and Quit India movement, which aimed to deliver and give up to British rule in India. However, his existence changed into reduce quick while he changed into assassinated on January 30, 1948, via way of means of a Hindu nationalist who disagreed together along with his perspectives on interfaith relations. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence and civil disobedience stimulated many leaders of the civil rights movement, which includes Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. His legacy keeps to encourage tens of thousands and thousands of human beings round the arena to rise up for his or her rights and combat towards oppression. Thank you for watching. Don't overlook to love and subscribe for extra films on records and culture.